What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger of a video. I bet you guys have been waiting for some CRV content for a while. So here's a good, cheap, easy, and little modern looking mod. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be upgrading the interior lights to LEDs, because if you guys don't know, which I'm sure you guys do, is the lights that are in here, they're all, you know, warm and stuff, so it makes it look, you know, it gives it that little older vibe. So a lot of people like that look, other people like LEDs. I like LEDs, so we're gonna be swapping them out for LEDs. LED lights, the size is DE3175, and then a little flathead to pry out the covers. And yeah, it's pretty much as easy as that. We're gonna be doing it's gonna be those over there, and I need to turn those off. So it's 2, 1, 1, so a total of 4 lights. So yeah, let's get into it. You just go over here, see if I can do it one hand. Just go, so there's these little notches, you just gotta pry it out. Be careful to not scratch up your plastic. And you go over here, it should just come off, yeah, just like that. And it has like this cover that you pull out, and then boom, you have your old bulbs in there. Ooh, it's a little hot. Here, I'm gonna grab a little napkin real quick. Comparison of both lights. Here, let me get the camera to focus. So on the left is the old one. Ooh, come on, focus. Left one is the old one, the old warm light, and then the right one is obviously the LED, as you can tell from all the from the 3 chips it has and how white it is. So yeah, we're pretty much gonna just put it in over here. Ooh. Gotta make sure it's also on the right side, or like facing the right way. So at the end, make sure you test them out before you put everything back on. But yeah, here, let me try to put this on real quick. Look how much more nicer that looks compared to this. Obviously I'll show you guys once it's more darker how it looks. But yeah, and then you could actually see the LED a bit in there. So yeah, let's get to the middle row. The middle row is pretty easy as well, so it's pretty much the same. Go over here, pry it out, and then oh shit, yeah, it's pretty much the same concept. I'm gonna take that out, just give me a second here. Ooh, and then it just launched. We pull this out, and then grab the next LED right here. Do a quick test. There you go. And where's the cover? And yeah, just make sure you put it right. It has this little notch where you line it up right here. So let's go from like right here, and then ooh, maybe the other way. I don't know which way it goes. I think I have it. Yeah, it's the right way. So I think it goes this way first, and then fuck, I ain't trying to break it. Here, give me a second, guys. The final one. Nah, I need to find the screwdriver. Excuse the mess. Here. Over here is the same concept as well as like the other two. Go to the notches. Go to right here. And just pry it out. Over here as well. You have to more. And it just pops out like that. Pull the bulb. Ooh, and that one actually just broke off on me. So, damn. Good thing we're switching it out. But yeah, let's put this in right here. Quick test. Boom. And then we just put the panel back on. Let's see. Boom. And then we have 2 extra ones, so maybe they'll fit on the Civic. We'll do that more later though. But yeah, let's close this up. Oh, I think I have it on fully on. But yeah, guys, I'll show you guys the better clip over there in the... Is it off now? Yeah, sir. So I'll show you guys once it's a bit more darker of how it looks. But yeah, I know you guys have been wanting more CRV content videos, but don't worry, I got some stuff that's on the way and that's already here that I need to install. So no need to worry on that. I just wanted to do this quick little mod because I already had it, and it's pretty easy. It doesn't take too long to install. You know, it's a simple mod. But yeah, we have that. And then what else? We have some mods for the Civic as well. Some mods and a little DIY video that I'm gonna be doing of the mod that I'm doing. So if you guys know what that is, comment down below. You know, so tomorrow, today is Thursday, check the date, December 19th. So tomorrow, the 20th, I am going to a meet, and I think tomorrow I will be posting this video that you guys are watching. I'm gonna be going to a little event, the Battlecraft show. So I'll put the flyer right here if you guys are trying to go pull up tonight, as you guys are watching this video, hopefully. So yeah, if you guys are pulling up, make sure you guys look for the Civic. If you guys know what I look like, make sure you dab me up or something. I'll be going with the homie. I'll be recording the whole thing. And yeah, I'll see you guys a bit more later in the video. Nighttime now, as you can see, and it's finally time to test these lights. And let's go. Let's show you guys. So first things first, these ones are bright as hell. Then this one, pop this. Look at that. Aren't these some bright ass lights? Honestly, I'm pretty happy with them. They're really bright. As you can see, they're really bright. I like them though. Look at that. And it's pitch black, by the way. So I think these lights were pretty worth it. I mean, the other lights, like, it was kind of, I still had to pull out my phone, you know, and like look for shit when the lights were on. I was going like all like this, you know. But now, like, shit, I don't even need my phone anymore. Everything's literally lit up. Not like that. Like, that's like really handy. So honestly, it was really worth it. It was like $11 for the pack on Amazon. I'll link it in the description so you guys could if you guys are interested in doing it yourself. But yeah, like, honestly, it was really worth it. You guys gotta do it. But if you guys like that oh yeah, if you guys like that old school vibe, then you don't have to do it. But motherfucker like me, I like it. It's honestly perfect. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Follow the Instagram, like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I got more stuff coming up for the CRV. I know a lot of you guys were trying to, you guys were telling me to post more stuff on the CRV. So here's a video. Here's a quick one. It's nothing crazy, but it's a video. But the next one, it should be a good one. I think you guys will like the next one. The next two, actually. I got 2 more videos for the CRV. Maybe 3, maybe. But I think you guys will for sure like the next one. And if it's not the next one, then the next after. But yeah, have a good one, guys. Oh, and make sure you guys go to that meet tonight. This video is being uploaded on I think today's the 19th or 20th. I don't know. It's gonna be posted on a Friday. So go to the meet tonight. I'll post it up right here. Good night, guys.